Has your home Wi-Fi become a constant battle? Dead zone, buffering, and that one device that just won't connect. Complete offers you an all-in-one solution. It's a smart upgrade designed to make your home internet stronger, safer, and easier to control. So, what exactly is xFi Complete? Think of it as your Wi-Fi reimagined. It combines powerful hardware, whole home coverage, and built-in security, all managed through one clean app. And the result is a seamless internet across your home. Let's take a look at the core features of xFi Complete. First up, you get the xFi Gateway. It's a high-performance 2-in-1 modem router device that automatically tunes your network for top speeds. Next comes the xFi ports. xFi ports extend your network signal in every corner. Whether it's your bedroom, backyard, or anywhere, your full house remains covered. And the best part, the advanced security features. It actively blocks all the online threats across all your connected devices, so your family stays safe without you having to think about it. Let's move on to the real benefits that are offered by the Xfinity's xFi Complete. With xFi Complete, everything just works. You can stream in 4K, play online games, and even work from home, all without lags or any drops. With Xfinity app, your whole Wi-Fi network is just one tap away. You get full parental control, manage your connected devices, troubleshoot issues, and much more. It's control, comfort, and security all in one. Now let's move on to the pricing plans of Xfinity's xFi Complete. xFi Complete costs just $25 a month. That includes your xFi Gateway rental and unlimited data with advanced security. So, if you are ready to simplify your home internet, Xfinity's xFi Complete can be a good choice. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If so, make sure to give it a like and hit the subscribe button.